foto di sini guys, pinapanda langsung dari Caribbean. Sana ada kapal pesiar kita. Ya, we're ready to save some lives. Only pro can do this ya. Beginner don't do this. I'm telling you, man.
Problem of the sea is the liberty of the sea.
Yes.